Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle dress. This classic garment is surprisingly simple to create, requiring just a few basic tools and materials. We will go step by step through the entire process, ensuring you can craft a beautiful, flowing dress. Gather your fabric, a good pair of scissors, a measuring tape, and your sewing machine, and let's begin this fun project together. First, take two crucial measurements: your waist circumference and the desired length of your dress from your natural waistline down to the hem. For example, a 28-inch waist and a 20-inch length are common. Next, lay your fabric flat and fold it in half, then fold it in half again, creating 4 layers. This precise folding is essential for achieving a perfect circle. Now, from the folded corner, measure out your waist radius, which is your waist circumference divided by 2 pi, or approximately 6.28. For a 28-inch waist, this is about 4½ inches. Mark a small arc and cut it. Then, add your desired dress length to this waist radius. Mark a larger arc and cut the hem. You now have your main dress piece. With your main dress piece cut, it is time for the finishing touches. First, hem the bottom edge by folding it over by 1/4 inch pressing, then folding it over another 1/4 inch and stitching. Repeat this for the waist opening. Finally, create a waistband or an elastic casing for the waist. This ensures a comfortable and secure fit, completing your beautiful, custom-made circle dress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.